here in a nutshell, you can see my electrical. My 2 batteries are the base of everything. I do have a positive line coming in from a split charger, which is really just a basic $20 relay that engages when the van turns on. I had to use a black wire because I ran out of red and didn't want to buy more copper. It's pricey stuff. So I marked the ends red so I don't get mixed up. But as you can see, I have matching cables for the positive and negative between the 2 batteries. I then have hardwired my inverter directly into the batteries so that it can draw the full 2000 watts that it's rated for, 1200 RMS or 2000 watts peak. That means I could run my heater off of it if I wanted to, but I don't plan to ever run my electrical heater off the batteries. That's only for when I'm plugged into mains. For mains power, I don't yet have the protective cover on it yet, but that is a relay that engages instantly the minute that power is turned on here. As soon as you plug in the outside, everything comes together. It triggers on the shore power, begins charging the battery through that battery charger. So it always is topping up the batteries and allows me to use regular power, 110 volt, which I have over on the countertop over there, as well as I have access to points here as well. Rather than use solid copper, I used stranded wire. It wears better in vibration because of the stranded rather than solid copper. Solid copper would probably be fine, but this was less expensive and more flexible to use, so I stuck with the stranded instead.
If you're interested in building your own rock and roll bed like this one, I can custom design one to fit your space. You can either buy the materials and build it yourself, or I can have the parts cut and sent to you so you only have to assemble it. I would need your width, the folded length, the extended length, and your desired finished height. I could also include the upholstery, but it's generally more economical to either do it yourself or to have it done locally. You can also choose to omit the headrests like I did, or choose a bench rather than individual seat sections. If you're interested, you can find out more through the link in the description.